Hello, this is Mandy with Scott Leroy Marketing. Today I'd like to show you how to create a team task with multiple assignees. First, you would log into your command and just make sure that you're on your team account. You can do that by clicking your name in the top right and toggling over to your team. Seeing your team's name under your name will be an indicator that you are on your team account. And then from there, you may want to check your permissions level with the team. That will have some limitations on being able to create a team task. If you're unsure of your permissions level, you can check it by going to your name at the top right and go into Settings, General Settings, and Default Account. This should show your permissions level with the team right here at the end of the team name. So for this account, we currently have standard permissions. I'll explain a little further where some limitations may come with having standard permissions. But for now, let's go ahead and get the task created. We'll go over to the task icon right here, third icon down, and you can choose Create New Task at the top right. From here, most of the fields are going to be the same, just like they would be for any task that you may even create on your personal account. So you can just go ahead and fill in those fields as you would like. You can even link these team tasks to a particular contact. This is where some of the limitations may come when it pertains to your permissions level. If you have standard permissions, in order to link a contact to a team task, you will either need to be the owner, collaborator, or assignee of the contact. Then you can create team tasks for any of your team members. If you have enhanced or unlimited permissions, you'll actually be able to link any of the team contacts to this task. It doesn't matter if you're the owner, assignee, or collaborator. You can create team tasks and link them to contacts that you are not associated with if you have enhanced or unlimited permissions. You also have the choice to link this to an opportunity. If you're an assignee on an opportunity, you can choose Link Opportunity and associate this team task with that opportunity. Once you choose either one that you choose to do, and for us today, we'll go ahead and actually choose this to be linked to an opportunity. So we'll choose that and select one of the opportunities and choose Link. From there, now you can see the other fields are highlighted and you can move forward with selecting the type of task that you're creating. So we'll just say this is a call task. Enter your description if you have one, and you can even adjust the opportunity phase and stage if you would like. Come on down, you have your hyperlink and your priority level fields just like normal. And then you can choose the date that you would like this to be due and the time of day. Okay, since it is an opportunity task, you will not have the option to make it repeat. If it was a contact task, you would see the option to repeat it. But down here at the bottom is currently where you can assign this team tasks to other team members on your team. So you can include multiple. You can just include yourself if you would like, but you can also come and select other team members. Click away from that field and scroll down, and you'll see another option now. If you would like, you can make this task to where only one task is generated, all of the assignees can see the task, and any assignee can mark it complete. Or if you would like to actually make this a task where each assignee has to complete their own task, you would choose this option at the bottom. And that means that a separate task will be created for each assignee and they will each need to mark it complete. Whatever option is best for you, go ahead and choose that and click Create. If you have any questions about this at all, please reach out to us here, support@scottleroymarketing.com, and we'll be happy to help. Thanks for watching.